Hello students, I am Abdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the second chapter of Geography of class 9. The title of the chapter is Physical Features of India. In the previous video, we have discussed about the types of physical feature found in India. It means major physiographic divisions and some important point about Himalayan mountains. In this video, we are going to discuss about the three parallel ranges of Himalaya. First, Himadri or Great Himalaya. It is also known as Inner Himalayas. The northernmost range is known as the Great or Inner Himalayas or the Himadri. It is the most continuous range of the Himalayas with an average height of 6000 meter. It contains all the prominent Himalayan peaks like Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Makalu, etc. Kanchenjunga is the highest peak of the Himalayas in Indian territory or in India with a height of 8598 meters, whereas the highest peak Mount Everest lies in Nepal and its height is 8848 meters. Great Himalayas are snow covered all the year round. The core of this part is composed of granite. The fold of Great Himalayas is asymmetrical in nature. Second one is Himachal or Lesser Himalayas. Himachal lies to the south of the Himadri and forms the most rugged mountain system. It is composed of highly compressed rocks with height varying from 3007 meter to 4500 meter. The average width of this range of the Himalayas is 50 kilometer. It is composed of ranges like Pir Panjal, Dhauladhar and Mahabharata. The Pir Panjal range is the longest and the most important range. They also contain the valleys having well-known hill stations in areas like Kashmir, Kangra, Kullu, Mussoorie, Nainital and Ranikhet, etc. Third parallel range is Sivalik. This is the outermost range of the Himalayas with height varying between 900 meter to 1100 meter. The average width is 10 kilometer to 50 kilometer. They are composed of coarse sediments brought down by rivers from the main Himalayan ranges. These valleys are covered with thick gravel and alluvium. The longitudinal valleys lying between the lesser Himalayas and Sivaliks are known as dunes, with names like Dehradun, Kotli Dun, and Patli Dun. Regional division of Himalayas. The Himalayas are also divided on the basis of regions from west to east. This demarcation is done by river valleys, that is the Indus, Satluj, Kali, Teesta, and Dihang rivers. In the west, the part of Himalayas lying between Indus and Satluj has been traditionally known as Punjab Himalayas, but it is also known regionally as Kashmir and Himachal Himalayas from west to east, respectively. The part of Himalayas lying between Satluj and Kali rivers is known as Kumaon Himalayas. The Kali and Teesta rivers demarcate the Nepal Himalayas, and the part lying between Teesta and Dihang rivers is known as Assam Himalayas. It means the part of Himalayas lying between Satluj and Kali is known as Kumaon Himalaya. The part of Himalayas lying between Kali and Teesta is known as Nepal Himalaya, and the part of Himalayas lying between Teesta and Dihang is known as Assam Himalayas. In the next video, we will discuss about Purvanchal or eastern range of Himalayas and northern plains.